Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S10 Plus, which is a smart and efficient cleaning companion for your home. So the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S10 Plus has a sleek, modern design that fits well in any home. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to move around. The vacuum is built with a durable body and comes with a minimalistic look, giving it a premium feel. Now, if I talk about the features of it, the vacuum is equipped with powerful suction that picks up dirt, dust, and even pet hair effortlessly. It has advanced navigation technology, allowing it to map your home and clean efficiently without missing any spots. The S10 Plus also has a mop feature, so it vacuums and mops simultaneously, giving you a thorough clean. It has a long battery life capable of cleaning for up to 2 hours on a single charge. When the battery is low, it automatically returns to its charging dock, so you don't have to worry about it getting stuck in the middle of cleaning. Now, in terms of the performance, the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S10 Plus is quite impressive. It handles different floor types well, from carpet to hardwood and even tiles. The vacuum also comes with multiple cleaning modes, allowing you to choose the right setting for your home. It's quiet so it won't disturb you while you are working or relaxing. The vacuum can be controlled with the help of Xiaomi Home application, where you can schedule cleanings, set cleaning zones, and monitor its progress in real time. The app is easy to use and adds a lot of convenience to the cleaning process. Now, in a nutshell, if I talk about the pros and cons of Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S10 Plus, I can only say that the pros include strong suction power, efficient navigation, mop and vacuum combo, long battery life, and easy to use application. If I talk about the cons, that I was able to find only two cons, that are there is no automatic dirt disposal and the mop feature could be more improved. Overall, the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S10 Plus is a reliable and efficient robot vacuum that offers a great value for its price. So if you are looking for a smart home cleaning solution that can handle daily dirt and dust with ease, the vacuum is definitely worth considering. So I have also put its link down in the description so that you could get some better offers. So you can definitely check that out. Thank you so much for watching.